Hello, so we are back Thursday and I'm back. Okay, the lockdown finished, so we started the work and everything here was rebuilt like inside of the shop. Everything, like the floor, the ceiling, the desk, everything. Yeah. So I'm kind of back up to next week, and from the next week is the Christmas holiday, 2 weeks. Every year I take 2 weeks on the Christmas time. It's nice to spend time with the family. The problem is nothing sorted here, so we have nothing on screen like the multimeter, the power supply. The power supply died, and also my multimeter. So we have to fix this. I have the fluke one, but I need a bench multimeter. Okay. The problem with this one, I don't know how this died. But it's supposed to be 00, and it's not. So it's not working. But somewhere in the middle, you see, like that, yeah, it should be 0. So now it's working. Here is no, it's not working anymore. So I suppose this is something wrong with the inside, the contacts. It's not working. It should be 0. Should be 0. And it's not. So we have to fix this. This is a bench multimeter ut801, and I was happy with the multimeter. It's not an expensive one. I was happy with the multimeter. It get the job done. You think we can fix it? The problem is if the trucks are gone, there are some copper trucks. I don't know how we can fix that. Or maybe it's time for another one. Maybe it's time to buy another one. Let's see. And the power supply, I left the power supply on, and I come back the second day, and my colleague was like, okay, your power supply starts smelling. So probably the plus and minus touched together and something got burned. We have to look even on the power supply to see if we can fix it. So how is it supposed to be open now? We have some rubber thing. Oh yeah, looks like it's like that. Okay, I took out the charger. What about here? Here is anything? Screws? Probably this is the battery compartment. Like that. Oh, I do have a temperature sensor here. Yeah, here is the battery. What about here? Here are some fuses. I'm sure the fuses are fine. So what about now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So that's the multimeter. Well, an empty box was working fine. Okay, what about now? How we can access that switch? Because yeah, I need access on this switch. We have to take this out somehow. Hmm? And now? Tricky. I just try to figure it out. How this is meant to come out. Anyway, I don't want to put this back together because this thing because I don't need it. But still, I have to take it out somehow. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So this it is supposed to come out. Yes. Okay. So this came out. Come on. Yeah. Okay. So we have this, yeah, and they have some special thing here. So that's out. Let's see. What about now? Okay. Okay, what about now? We have to take out the screws, yeah? Let's take out the screws. Looks quite basic. Quite basic. So one more screw here. One more here. So this should come out somehow. But the problem is I think I have to take the button out. This round button. Or not. No, it's going inside of the board. I don't think these are made to be repaired. So we took out the screws. Yeah, it's one more here, sorry. One more here. And the screen is on the back. Oh, looks fine. The tracks are okay. That's the screen. Let's put back the screen. I don't want to mess up with the screen. That's the screen. That's the backlight. Okay. But I can't see anything wrong here. So the tracks are good. Are not dirty. These thingies are good. You think it will gonna work only by cleaning? Hmm? Let's try. Now what about this? Should be that simple. I think will work. Let's see. We have a ball here, a metal ball. Should be there. Good. This should be here. Now we can put back the board, right? Now this will be tricky. We have some switches here. Yeah, these are for protection when you connect the probes wrong. So the multimeter will let you know. Now the buttons. Okay. Let's put back the screws and see if it's working. Hmm? Let's see. Let's plug the charger, the power supply, and see if it's working. This is working. Okay, the connector. Sorry, the connector. It's working. So now I do have 0, 0. So just cleaning, fixing by cleaning. That switch. This switch. Yeah, when you push this, Yeah, it's you know, when you try to check the ohms, but actually you connect to the amps, because for the amps you need a, it has a separate connector. Okay, the switches are in places. Strange, because clearly it's a cheap multimeter, but he done the job. You know, I was happy with this multimeter. I was happy. So let's get some probes. Huh? This was never on the video. This was my second multimeter, so that's why you didn't see this before. So let's see, 20 volts. Come on. And we can check something. The power supply. On the power supply we have like 4 volts. Let's see. And it's working. 4 volts. Yeah. Let's see, 200 scale. Yeah, 4 volts. 2 volts. Yeah, it's working. It's fine. Beeping. I was using this multimeter only for this, for beeping, because it's easy. You can diagnose things without looking on a multimeter. It's working great. Can't believe. So simple. Just to clean that things. No, I do have a screw left. Oh, this has to be there. Sorry. Okay. So it has to be like that. So we have to take out this screw and this. You think will work? Okay, so let's put back this. So this has to be like that. Yeah. Yeah. Probably this black screws was from somewhere else. Huh? Who knows? Perfect. Hmm? So what about now? How we can put this back? Okay. Oh. No, here. Good. Perfect. Let's plug the power supply. The power supply is plugged. And we have a working multimeter. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy and not. You know, I was. I can buy another one. I was looking to buy one, a good one, which I can connect to the computer, so I can display on the screen. But it's okay because I could fix it, so this can still be used. There's no point throwing in the bin if it's still good. So I'm not using this because even before was the multimeter is on the bottom. So over the multimeter is coming the hot air machine, and after that the power supply, and after that the solder iron. So it's like a big mountain of things. Yeah. So I'll not connect this anymore. This was coming on the front of the screen somewhere. I don't need it. If I don't need it, I'm happy it's fixed. Temperature sensor, I don't really need it. I have my finger. It was inside the book. Wait, we have the red thingy from here. One second, and the screws. Oh. So this red thing comes here. Oh. Good. Good. And the screws, yeah? Here are two screws. Yeah, I don't need it. I fixed mine. So if you have this model, now you know how you can fix it, how you can open actually. Because it looks like only cleaning, and the trucks was good. I was afraid, you know, you have the copper from the trucks just goes away, and that's the reason why it's not working. You know? It looks like it's not the case. Okay, so we can try and do some repairs. It's working fine. So this will still work for a while. Yeah? Okay. So thank you for everything. I just want to thank you Christmas is coming, the New Year is coming. I can only wish you to have a happy New Year. Hopefully, I can do some videos. I'm extremely busy, but I need to sort out my computer. You see, if I do a video like now, yeah, it's nothing on screen. So the multimeter is not on screen. The power supply is not on screen. But the Brio is not working anymore. So the main camera is supposed to work on 2.5K and it's working only 1080 for some reason, and I don't know why. I did change the USB, the drivers, still not working. So I really need to sort my things. Okay? I don't know when, but I will try to do it. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, I want to thank you. I receive a lot of messages. I told you I read the messages on every video, and I got my people getting worried about sorry you're okay. And also I got a Christmas present from a gentleman, Kit. He sent me a laptop to fix it and keep it for like a present. So thank you. And they asked me if I'm okay, I'm healthy, and I am. There's nothing wrong. My daughter was sent home from school. They said was a case of corona on her class. But otherwise, we are all fine. And thank you. Okay. So see you next time. Bye.